Hey, Micah White coming at you. Look, today I want to show you 3 websites where you can get free leads right off these websites. 2 of the websites you've probably never ever heard of before. The 3rd website everybody has heard of before, but I'm going to show you a neat strategy to where you can extract 100% free leads right off that very popular website. And you want to pay close attention to this video and make sure you get the step-by-step instructions on how to get leads right off these websites. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get right down to it. Now the first website that you're going to come to is going to be thefreeadforum.com. Now when you get to this site, you want to go to place a free ad, which will bring you to this site, this page right here. Now this ad is 100% free. They do have upsells if you decide you want to take some of the upsells, like placing your ad for a duration of 1 year. That's a $5 upsell. And choose upgrade 1 at checkout below for $5, which will be a $10 fee if you want to have your ad featured on the home page for 1 year. So that will be $10, which is not a bad deal to have your ad running for a whole year on the home page, a featured ad on the home page. But for this video, we're just doing it for free because that's what we're after. We're just after a free classified ad that we can post that thousands of people will look at it. Okay, so where we want to start is right here. Is with your category. Let's just go jobs. Okay, and from the jobs, we're going to go with business opportunities. Okay, and you can put these wherever you want to, wherever you think is it makes sense to you. It can be sales, whatever you're doing. If you're not in the make money niche, you find the right category for your products or services. Okay, and we're going to go with the 90-day no cost, which they got other options: 6 months, $5, 1 year for $10, but we're sticking with the 90 days. Okay, now right here, this is where your title for your ad is going to be. Now in the description below, you're going to see a link to a swipe file, to Micah's mega swipe file that you'll have access to, that you have you'll have a ton of titles and ad bodies, and but just check the description, just checking the description below. But here's the ads, here's the swipe file right here. Okay, yes, you get all of this. Okay, but what we're going to do is go with our title, and I've already posted ads, but let's just go. I'm just gonna go with the title, say make 200 to 500 per day. Okay, now we're going to go over to our swipe file, and we're going to go down to our ad bodies. Okay, I've already pre-selected this ad body, this ad body 27. I think they're like that. We're going to copy and paste that right in here. Alright, now tags. I already have tags that you can use, because people sometimes they will go and they will they'll search for some tags, and so you want to like I said, I already got the tags right here. Just copy and paste your tags. Then your tags, you have to have commas between your keywords, your keyword phrases. So you always want to have your commas in your keywords to separate your keywords. So like I say, work from home, comma, work from home jobs, comma, and so on and so forth. Right here, you want to put your email. Right here, you can put a region, but it's, you know, it will well, okay, let's just go with where I am. I'm in North Carolina, and I'll go with Raleigh. Okay, now you get one region. If you're going to add other regions, it will be an additional $1 per region, but we're just going to keep it here in Raleigh. Now right here is where you're going to put your website URL. Now so you put your website URL there. So let's see, let's go with all right, let's put your website URL, just paste that right in there. Now you can select up to 7 images. Now I always you know, just use something got money in it, something like that. Okay, there's your image. Now you can change this out to where you can change like the file name. I mean, you don't have to have that file name there, so you can put, you know, anything. Make money today, anything. Now if you have a video you want to stick in here, you know, this is where you'll put it. If you got like a YouTube video or some type of bridge video, anything, you can put it right here. Now the way that I do it, I typically send people to my opt-in page right here, my squeeze page. So I typically don't put a video, but if you want to put a video, you can put a video in right here. This is where you'll do it. Okay, now here's some more upsells if you choose any of these upsells, but like I said, we're after a free ad today, so we're not going to do any of these upsells or upgrades. Okay, now you can preview the ad. See what it looked like. Okay, and here we go. For some reason it's taking this a little while to populate, but here's your ad. Make money today, this is your ad. Cash paid every day, easy $200 or more per day, and visit my website. This will be your website link. So that's it. You can close the preview. All right, go to your next step. And here's your ad at no cost, and it'll be shown to people in Raleigh, North Carolina and surrounding areas. Okay, it's as simple as that. That is very, very simple. And you can sit here and, you know, just take 30 minutes a day and just place some ads, some no cost ads every day, and you will get views and opt-ins from these ads. All right, we're moving on. Now we got the second website, which is very similar to this website. And this website is the free advertising classifieds. So now what you're going to do is you want to come, if you haven't created an account, just go to, well, I'm already logged in, but you can go to create an account. But once you get there, once you get here, you want to click this button, publish your ad for free. Very similar. And actually, I think this is just a little simpler. But what you're going to do is come right here. You know, you're going to select a category. You know, you're going to put your title in, your description, just like the other one. Okay. And you're going to come down. Let's just say, okay, let's go. Let's go with work from home. You may not can see it because of my screen, but I'm gonna go with work from home. Let's just go, you know, title, you know, make $200 here's go with our let's go back to the swipe. Like I said, this is in the description. You get free access to this swipe file. Okay. Copy. Stick it right in here. No price, nothing like that. You can select the region. And again, I'm in North Carolina. We're gonna go with North Carolina. Let's select the city. We'll just go with, again, we'll go with Raleigh again. No need of the city, area, the address, keywords. Now, again, go to the swipe and let's just grab some keywords. Got some keywords right down here. So your tags. And remember, always separate them with commas. Okay, and paste those right in here. Okay. And right here is where you want to put your website address. If you want a YouTube video, you can put it here, but you're going to put your website address right here. So grab my website address and I'll put that in right there, just like that. It's just that simple. And down here, yes, they have some upsells, but I don't really take the upsells. And oh, right here, let's put an image in. And again, let's go with something with some money. Just go here, pop that in, and there you go. Okay, and just hit publish. And here's the ad right here. Make 200 to 500 per day. Work from home, Raleigh, North Carolina. I mean, folks, it is that simple. This ad is just that simple. You know, here's the ad. Take action now. Keywords. Here's your website right here. Boom. Click your website and it goes to, click the link and it goes right to your website. Now, let's go to the last website. Well, this is a website that everybody knows about, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to Craigslist. Now, we're not going to post any ads to Craigslist. It's not what we're going to do. What we're going to do, we're going to come down here to resumes. Just come right down here to resumes. Now, you got a lot of people. Now, people, you can sit and do this all day long, or just take an hour a day, or 30 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, just take a little time a day. And what you can do, again, go to my swipe file. We're going to have some Craigslist scripts right here. This is what you want to send to people right here. Hi, I saw your inquiry on Craigslist about looking for work. I may have just what you're looking for. It pays out 100% commissions of $100 to $500. And there is absolutely no explaining, selling, or stocking of inventory. Please feel free to contact me contact me here, and we will send you some information to review about our company and opportunity. Or you can send this one. You know, typically I like this one. The shorter the better. Leaves a little bit more curiosity. But what you want to do, you want to come over here to the resumes. And these people are looking to make money. Okay? See, single mother in desperate need of full-time job. I mean, you have, all you do is go through here and you find people that is looking for some type of opportunity, looking for work, looking for anything. Okay? You know, people looking for homes to clean. I mean, you'll be surprised of what people are interested in. Okay? So, just be mindful of that. And you just go right here and See here's one. Cleaner looking to make extra cash ASAP. Okay. And what you do, you come in here and you just hit reply. Okay. Okay, you'll hit reply. Let's see. The contact is Julie. And you take this. You take this and you copy it and you go to your email. You go to your email. Just hit compose. Okay. Paste that right in. And you go right here. You grab this. You grab that. Come back to your email. Paste that right in. Okay. And you hit send. Now she'll get that message. And when she replies back, when you get an email back from this person, okay, here's what you want to follow up with. You want to copy and paste this right here and just reply back to her email and send her the information, and you put your website right here. I mean, it is that simple. I mean, and just think of how many leads that you can create. You can go from city to city. I mean, there are thousands and thousands of people that is looking for your opportunity. I mean, that is looking for your opportunity. But if you don't have an opportunity, if you don't have a business that you can offer the people that you can make anywhere from $100, $200 to $500 plus, there will be a link in the description. Go down, click on that link, and check out what I got for you. I think you'll like it. But that's about it for this video. And also, please, it'll be a link in the description for the swipe file, for this swipe file right here. Look at all the headlines. Look at everything. I mean, you're getting all this stuff. Now, these ads, the headlines and the ad bodies, they can work for a number of businesses. Sometimes you may have to edit some of these sort of fit your business to be congruent with your business. But this is just a baseline. It's a baseline, and it just gives you ideas to where you don't have to sit here and just really think of ad bodies and headlines. You got them right here. You can take them and tweak them and make them your own. But this is free. The link will be in the description to this, and you can reference this anytime that you get ready. Just save it to your just bookmark it, and you'll have it right on tap anytime you're ready to look. Need a headline, need an ad body. But again, if you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of any new videos that I come out with with value. This is a value-based YouTube channel. I like to put value out there, help you in your business. But like I said, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. But until the next video, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. But until the next video, hey, this is Micah White. I'm signing off. Peace and prosperity.